say ceiling.
That's because I was trying to see what I was typing. Good morning.
Hi, everyone.
Hello, everybody.
Hello, hello. Here we are for our morning sessions and all day, actually. We will be here back and forth and whatever. So welcome, everyone. We hope you enjoyed last night as much as we did. We had a great time and we're bright-eyed and bushy-tailed, ready to go again today. So just a few things to get us started. I do have notes. I don't want to miss anything. So first and foremost, it is our 7th stamping staycation and we are having a ball doing this. So Lily and Joanne and I are happy you're all here to join us. In the comments today, again, you will see Carmen's name often because she is our Vanna White working on in the background for us and helping us out. So thank you, Carmen, for doing that again. You will find, if you weren't with us last night to hear the lay of the land kind of thing, we have a schedule posted for the day's activities. You can find that in our Facebook group. Secret stamping is right after lunch. Lillian has posted clue 1, so you can get all of your things ready for that. And it is tagged as a featured post in our group. And just remember, if you can't find things, hit that refresh button. It usually solves problems for things like that. Congratulations to all of our sentiment search winners. That really is a tongue twister. I thank you for taking part in that with us last night. We have completed our random door prize draws and our challenge prize winners, and those are in a post that are in our Facebook group. So we ask that you please send us your mailing address because we will have a little something to go out to you. And throughout the day, if there are winners that happen to be not in Canada, we have something special there. So don't feel left out with that because we do have a number joining us from elsewhere. As Joanne mentioned last night in one of our trivia questions, we have kind of almost a 50-50 between demonstrators and non-demonstrators with us today. So we'd like to ask, as we always do, that there be no solicitation for anything. We are doing this just to have fun and to share our ideas and what we know with you guys. So please help us stick to that. And don't think there's anything else except Joanne, Lillian, do you have anything else?
I don't think so.
I don't think so.
Okay, I do have results from the questions that Joanne had asked last night, and just bear with me as I kind of go down the list of them. What was your favorite hobby when you were a kid? Lots of different things happening. One was storytelling. One said it dates me. Scrapbooking was not a thing then, so I crocheted. Square dancing, paint by number, sewing, making crafts with popsicle sticks, paper crafting, pottery, listening to music, baseball, reading, paper dolls, swimming, knitting, macrame, cutout dolls, and crocheting. So lots of different hobbies that we all had.
I remember those cutout dolls. They were perforated and they had those little tabs. Those were
Yes.
so I haven't thought of those in years.
And I know where we lived, we had very, very poor TV reception. So we had music. We played music. That was our Saturday night thing. So I never thought of that when you were thinking crafts. To me, it's more making things with crafts. But anyway, the next question was, what's been the biggest challenge you made in biggest change you made in paper crafting since you first started? Pardon me. One lady had a craft room made, which is really nice to have everything in one place. Learning new techniques, meeting so many amazing ladies, not busy ladies. It might be. I still love heat embossing, stamping blends, stamparatus, heat embossing again, spending more time and making more cards. Biggest change was learning and loving to create 3D projects. Complementing colors, blends, and working with colors, trying more things, using the thinlits and the silicone pad to glue, watercoloring, ink blending, and learning and practicing all techniques and the dyes. So I think we're all on the same page, just learning all that new stuff that's coming. And the last question was, where do you get most of your ideas for crafting, paper crafting? I was pleased, and Joanne and Lillian, I think, will agree with me. 2 or 3 of you mentioned follow all of you, and we're happy to have you doing that. YouTube, Pinterest, Joanne and other internet demonstrators, ideas from customers. I collect them and pull things out, make a mess, and it all comes together. I love that. Magazines and the internet, from you ladies and other Facebook sites, demonstrator planning place or Pinterest, and Pinterest, YouTube, and Facebook. So social media, which is where we are today, and quite often you'll find the 3 of us, I think has become a way of life for us. So if there's nothing else, I don't see any comments from Carmen coming. I think that's it. We will be back shortly.
Does anybody have any questions sort of
Yeah,
to start
any
out the
questions
day?
there?
If you do, just put it into the comments and we'll get going. Or not get going, we'll answer you and then we'll get going.
Joanne's going to get going right away.
I will.
So Joanne will start, and then as we said before, every hour on the hour, we will have a presentation for you, and hopefully everything internet-wise works.
So grab your beverage, grab your snacks, and get comfy.
Yep.
Yes.
And we'll see you at 9:15.
Okay. Take care now.
Bye.
Bye-bye.